The way softwares get built and developed just changed, but most of the developers have no idea about it yet. This is chapter 1 of my complete Claude Code series. By the end of this video, you would know what exactly Claude Code is, and it will be running on your machine. Let's go.
Before we deep dive into Claude Code, let's discuss something about language models and assistants. There are numerous language models available in the market these days, and most probably you use and know most of them, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. These language models are just consultants. Like, consider this thing: you go to a consultant with a specific problem of yours. Based on the problem, the consultant gives you an advice. You take the advice and you have to implement and work on that advice by yourself. On the other hand, when we talk about assistants, consider them as contractors. You hire a contractor and give contractor a work with specific criteria that piece of work or task needs to meet. The contractor goes to the place, it completes and performs the work and come back to you with specific results. So the major difference between language models and assistants is language models are conversational and say, read the content inside main.go file. The language model does not have that capability to read, but for that particular purpose, most of the companies introduce tools as assistants. So there's a tool in the middle, like you type, read the contents inside main.go file. You would pass it to the assistant. The assistant is gonna revamp or rephrase your particular prompt in a way that language model understands it. Then it would send back to the language model. The language model then find the contents, give it to the tool or the assistant. The assistant would read it and then give you your desired result. There are basically 3 ways to install Claude Code on your device. Number 1, and the fastest one, terminal. This is mostly the fastest way of installing Claude Code on your device, and most of the developers in the market use this way. Option 2, desktop app. If you like graphical interface and do not want any kind of terminal, then this is the best choice for you. Option number 3, if you are very much attached with your IDE like VS Code and JetBrains, you get extensions so that Claude Code can live inside your IDE and has all the code of the project. Let's go and discover all 3 of them one by one. Open your terminal. Mac users go to Applications, Utilities, and Terminal, or you can also use a shortcut, Command plus space. Windows users open PowerShell from the Start menu. Linux users open your terminal application. Mac and Linux, paste this command. This curl command is for both Mac and Linux. After pasting it, just hit enter and wait about 30 seconds. On Windows, paste this specific command. Hit enter, wait about 30 seconds. Now verify on any platform. Type Claude version. If you see a version number, installation was successful. Now, inside the PowerShell or your terminal, type Claude. Sign into your Claude account with the same email address that you used for Claude AI. You will see the Claude Code welcome screen and you are ready to use it. Do not like the terminals? No worries. Just go to claude.ai/downloads in the browser, download the Claude desktop app for Mac or Windows, install it like any other normal application. Once downloaded, open it and sign it with your Claude account. Inside the desktop app, you will see a Claude Code section in the sidebar. Click it and you get the full Claude Code experience without ever touching a terminal. Same power, no command line.
I hope by the end of this video, you understand the differences between language models and agents, what an agent is, how Claude Code is an agent, and how to install Claude Code on your device via terminal or a desktop app. In the next video, we would be going through the prompts that we have to give to Claude Code and effective ways how we can use Claude. Stay tuned and follow for more. Thank you.